In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and connect your bank account, which is a fundamental step in managing your business finances seamlessly. First things first, you're going to need to open up your preferred web browser. Head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page by typing in the URL https://qbo.intuit.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, enter your QuickBooks Online credentials, your username and password to sign into your account securely. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Banking or sometimes Transactions and click on Banking. This is where you'll manage all your financial accounts linked to QuickBooks. Next, you'll want to add your bank account. On the banking screen, locate the Add Account button, which is typically positioned at the top right or sometimes in the center of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then see a search box pop up. This is where you'll type in the name of your bank or credit card provider. As you type, a list will appear. Select your bank from this list. Once you've selected your bank, QuickBooks will prompt you to log into your bank's online portal. Now, ensure you have your bank's login credentials on hand. Enter your bank username and password carefully. It's important to keep your credentials secure during this step as you're giving QuickBooks access to pull in your financial data. After logging into your bank portal through QuickBooks, you'll see a list of accounts that can be connected, such as a checking account, savings account, or credit card. Decide which accounts you want to link to QuickBooks and select them. This selection will allow QuickBooks to track transactions within those specific accounts. Now, set the date range for the transactions you wish to import. Typically, QuickBooks allows you to pull up to 90 days of transactions, giving you a good snapshot to start with. Select your desired date range to proceed. Once you've set your date range, the next step is to complete the connection process. Click on Connect or Continue. The exact wording may vary to finalize linking your bank account. QuickBooks will then begin importing your transactions into the system. This might take a few moments, so be patient while the data syncs. After the import is complete, you'll navigate to the For Review tab within the Banking section. Here you'll see a list of your recent transactions that have been imported. Take your time to review each transaction and categorize them accordingly. Categorizing correctly is crucial as it ensures your financial reporting remains accurate and up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully logged in and connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online. This will help you manage your finances more effectively and save time on data entry. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.